guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I'm really glad having you back. I'll be showing you how to make an easy shrimp scampi. This shrimp scampi has an addictive garlicky buttery sauce with a hint of lemon and white wine. In this bowl, I've got about 2 cups of shrimps which have been rinsed, peeled and deveined. And we are going to start by seasoning our shrimp. And I will start seasoning these with smoked paprika, chili pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, and a little bit of salt. And once we are done seasoning our shrimp, we are just going to mix this up. Let the seasonings mix together with the shrimps. To add a beautiful texture and crunch to your shrimp scampi, we are going to add in cornstarch. So I'm just going to go in with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm still going to toast this to coat with the shrimp. The corn flour adds some crunch to your shrimp and also prevents them from being heated directly by heat. And once you're done with all the seasonings, you can set the shrimp aside. It's now time to make the shrimp scampi. So we are going to place a medium-sized pan on the stove top. And we are going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any other oil will do. So I first of all added some oil to the pan to prevent my butter from burning too quickly. And now I'll be going in with a tablespoon of butter. Once your butter has melted, you can now go in with the seasoned shrimp. You don't have to add all the shrimp all at once. You can do this in batches. Once you're done with the first batch, you can now go in with the next batch. Just make sure you're cooking your shrimp on medium to low heat so that they don't burn too quickly. And after cooking your shrimp on one side for 1 minute 30 seconds, you can then flip over to the other side and cook for another 1 minute. Once your shrimps are totally golden, you can take them out of the pan. You can now go in with the second batch of the shrimp. At this point, I'm done with all the shrimps and I'm still going to be using the same pan. And to the pan, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of butter. Mind you, I'm using unsalted butter. You can still use salted butter, but I would love to season my shrimp all by myself, just so that I don't end up with a salty shrimp scampi. Once your butter has melted, you can then go in with 4 freshly minced garlic cloves. Your aim isn't to brown the garlic, you just want to infuse the garlic into the butter so that you end up with a garlic butter flavor. And just before the garlic starts to sizzle, we are going to go in with lemon zest, chili pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of white wine, and 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. Adding a little lemon juice will really help improve the flavor and taste of this shrimp scampi. I'm going in with half freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can just stir this together and let everything combine beautifully. And lastly, you can go in with some freshly chopped parsley. All the ingredients I'm using for this shrimp scampi will be listed in the description box below. Please check it out. Let's simmer this for just a minute and let all the ingredients mingle together. If there's any need for salt, you can just add a little bit of it. After that, bring in your cooked shrimp and then stir it to coat with the sauce. Once you're done toasting the shrimp in the sauce, you can leave it to heat up for a minute, still on low heat. Just make sure you don't overcook your shrimp, otherwise they will turn rubbery and that won't be nice to chew. So once you are satisfied with the taste of your shrimp scampi, you can turn off the heat and take it off from the stove. So guys, here is our shrimp scampi. It's ready. You can garnish this with some freshly chopped parsley for a beautiful pop of color. You can enjoy your shrimp scampi the way it is, or you pair it with pasta or rice. Whichever way you choose to enjoy this is totally up to you. This was an amazing way to make shrimp scampi at home. I hope you loved this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. You can share the video with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. You can click on the bell button so you stay connected and not miss any video whenever we upload one. Thank you guys. Until next time, I love to see you soon. Bye for now.